Hello you guys and girls out there, this is God is great, and I'm getting hit with another big snowstorm coming. It's supposed to be about a good 5 feet or so. Weather forecaster, this is correct. And this is like mid-March. Crazy, it's supposed to be spring already here. Very strange weather. It's coming down. It's supposed to be today and tomorrow, so maybe 5-6 feet, they say. Be doing a lot of shoveling again, I guess. Beautiful, but I don't like snowing, especially on a weekend. There's your garden update, man. Whee! Come inside. Alright, this guy's great. Have a great weekend. I'm stuck. Alright, I'm out. God bless.